Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the CRKT CEO EDC Knife. I'm a big fan of just about everything CRKT makes. It's all quality. This is a very slim knife, has a low profile. It's going to fit in your pocket nicely and be very inconspicuous. It's fast opening. The thumb stud has a ball bearing pivot and it deploys that blade fast. The handle is glass reinforced nylon. This is a really cool knife. I think it'll make a great EDC knife. A lot of my knives are kind of thick and bulky, but sometimes I do want a slim profile knife that I can carry with me anywhere, and this fits the bill. I like this knife, and I think you will too. I'm just going to finish this video with some close-ups, so if you're looking at this knife, I hope you found my video helpful.